Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an Insta page. Start by defining your niche and ideal follower, then choose a username and profile photo that reflect that niche. Write a concise bio that states what you offer and includes a call to action. Link any important pages and switch to a professional account if you need analytics and promotion tools to grow effectively. Set up your account by switching to a professional profile and filling every field deliberately. Use a concise bio that highlights what you do and why followers should care, plus one strong call to action. Choose a contact method that suits your goals, add a link to your landing page, and ensure your profile photo and name are consistent with your brand for easy recognition across platforms. Hey, quick favor, if this guide is helping you, please like and subscribe for more tips. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings cozy background music, voice control, and hands-free timers while you create content, making editing and filming feel easier and a bit more fun. Check the description for the link and extra deals. Grab one if you like the idea. Now let's get back to the video. Decide on a content strategy that balances reels, posts, and stories to reach different audiences. Batch create content so you always have material ready and stick to a consistent posting schedule to build trust. Use simple branded templates, write clear captions with calls to action, and pick relevant hashtags to help new followers discover your work and engage with your community over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.